Hi everybody, we are live. Thanks for being here. This is Laura Vincenzi speaking, founder of LV Stars, and welcome to this new video of the Mountain Journey and Happiness video series. And the topic of today is duty or pleasure, or maybe I should have said pleasure or pain, right? And if I asked you to choose whether you prefer duty, pain, or pleasure, I bet that your answer is going to be pleasure. And why is that? Because everybody wants to feel good. Everybody wants to feel happy. So let me share with you what happened to me today. I'm starting a promotion on one course on happiness that I have in my website, which is called The Road to Happiness. And after shooting the videos, which is the things that I like to do, of course you have to upload them on the portal. You have to write the emails and all that kind of stuff. And to be really honest with you, I really don't like that part too much, you know, what's behind all the courses, what's behind all the videos, but I must do it, and it is a duty for me, sometimes a pain, let's say it. And if I had to choose, I wouldn't do it, but I have to do it. This being said, because I have to do it, I might just as well make it myself to like it. And how can I do that? It is I use a shift in perspective. Instead of facing those things like with a mind that says to myself, oh gosh, I wish I could do anything else but that, I choose to say to myself, okay, you don't like it. It's not part of your pleasures, but what can you learn from this? Let's you sort of make a bet how good you're going to become at this, even if you don't like it. And I can tell you that if you the more you do it, the more you know how to do it, the easier it will become. So you'll be much quicker in doing all this. And how much satisfaction are you going to have out of that? So that's all the things that I'm saying to myself. And it works. It works. It works because it's not a pain anymore. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. So anytime you find yourself having something to do, a must do, which you don't like, you might just as well make yourself like it. Shift your horizon, shift your mindset, shift the way you feel it, and bring unhappiness to happiness, turn unhappiness to happiness. And the way to do it is to really shift your mindset, right? So today I leave you with choose happiness through choosing pleasure. Make everything a pleasure. So if you like this video, you can press like, you can press the heart, you can share it. Obviously, I like to have your comments below here, and go and visit my website, www.lvstars.it. And if you want to be placed into my promotion, because I'm giving half price my courses on happiness just for a short period of time, then you write your name below here, your contacts below here, so that I can send you all the info. Right? Thank you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!